If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the Forex market, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, as usual, we provide actually the Forex forecast every Saturday. And those of you who are new, before we start, this is our YouTube channel, guys. It's We Trade Waves, as you can see here. And we provide our weekly Forex forecast, top analysis forecast, every Saturday at this time. So this was our last one. It was 6 days ago, as you can see. And just before we start, I want to say thank you for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. I'm personally reading every single comment, and again, we appreciate guys all your efforts to like, comment, and share. As usual, we'll start with the XY, and I'll cover all this that you can see at the right side of the screen. But all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and keep watching till the end. I have a lot to cover, guys. I'll announce as well a partnership that we have done with one of the brokers, and again, I'll cover for you the structures, what's next for most of the pairs, and I might cover some stocks, 2 to 3 stocks at the end. So again, keep watching till then, guys. It will be, as usual, high accurate analysis, and I really hope all of you guys who traded actually the market last week made money trading the next wave. So for this one, DXY, as I explained last week, if you remember, I said to you this up wave here, market stopped at 110 as forecasted. If you remember, by the way, all the people who are following us, you should remember, guys, 110. And again, if you remember that, give us thumbs up and leave a comment just for those who are coming new to We Trade Waves. Because our video, guys, is actually spreading, and most, I would say, a lot of traders are watching us for the first time. So if you remember this one, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. 110 was the level. After that, we've got a drop for DXY, up, corrective structure up. And then last week, I gave you a hint that this, it might be, guys, an ending structure. Okay, so this will be the A, this is the B, and this is C of a regular flat. This is a potential regular flat for now, with the C wave came into a form of an ending structure. Those of you who don't know what is an ending structure, it's a pattern, guys, for wave analysis, for Elliott waves as well. But if I zoom in, this is actually a trading view. We're using trading view as a charting platform, and this is the 4 hours dollar index, the 4 hours. All right, so if I zoom in, I'll just go to the 1 hour just to show you something here. This is the structure that we're having in mind. All right, it's one of the possibilities anyway. So we've got this drop, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and then we've got this drop, correction, drop, correction, and then drop. The ending structure is this, from here to here. All right, so in case you want the name of it, it's called contracting ending diagonal. This might be the C wave of this, A, B, C. I don't usually go for the limiting, guys, but just because some of you were asking for that, that's why I'm going for it this time. But anyway, after this drop, market gave us this up wave. Our traders, they were able actually to trade this up move here and made money trading this one. And of course, not only the XY, they were selling the majors, but this was the dollar move to the upside. We knew that before actually, before market gave us anything here. This was the forecast anyway last week. If you can see, this 6 days ago, just to show you this one again, the before, 6 days ago, and this was the market actually, this is the before, and this is the after, okay? So in case you bought the dollar, you must have made money. Now, that's actually regarding the before. The after, what's next? Like I said last week, again, especially for those who are new, this is the daily chart, right, guys? And for the dollar, this is now a potential regular flat. And this potential regular flat, it might be ending here, or we might get an extension for this up wave for something like this. Again, instead of this one being one wave, it can turn out to be 5 waves. And this 5 waves, it can be, again, another ending structure in, I would say, in the opposite direction, because here we have an ending diagonal to the downside from here to here. But this one, it can be all the way up, and we might break this top one more time. Now, this is actually too early to, I would say, expect that or predict that. But at the same time, we were right in the buy direction. Yes, we were actually forecasting a dollar to drop. We've got this drop here. This is a downtrend, and market can still fall. I'll give you the option, the second actually scenario in a moment. But just saying, in the lower, in the fractal nature of the market, in the lower degrees, we might see market pushing to the upside a bit more. Now, I'll go back to the 4 hours just to show you what's next for the dollar. This is the up wave. Now, this is a downtrend, no question, okay? In order for you to master trading, to master Forex analysis, you have to understand the fractal nature of the market. That's something we teach internally for WTW Pro members. You can join, you can check the website to see the details anyway, but just saying, you have to master the fractal nature of the market. Alan, what do you mean by the fractal nature of the market? market usually moves waves within waves within waves. It's called the degrees, the fractal nature of the market. And if you don't know what are the fractals, you can just search on Google about the fractals. You will understand the fractals in nature, so you know actually what I mean by fractals. So for this one, if I need to look at the degrees, this is actually an uptrend from here to the upside, guys, okay? So this up wave, it can go all the way up again. We can get, just to explain you what's next for the XY, we can get a corrective structure and then one more push up. This is what I can see dollar index will do next, okay? Now, after this up wave, we'll update you. I can see this move going all the way up to break this top first, and the next level will update you later. And mainly the levels are updated actually, or are given to WTW Pro members inside the Sunday sessions that are conducted by T every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. So in case you want to know about the trades of the week, about the levels, the exact levels, subscribe WTW Pro, guys, to get the access, okay? As example, last week we gave 3 trades, guys: pound Oz, pound yen, and dollar Swiss. All of them actually are in profits and they reach the target. If I go to this one just to show you, this is the dashboard that you'll get access to as soon as you join WTW Pro, plus of course the Discord community. But just to show you this one, if I go to trades of the week, look at this one. This was pound Oz, market went to the upside. I'll show you the before and after shortly. This is dollar Swiss as well, market went to the upside. And this is the pound yen, up and down. 2 waves actually in advance. Market went as expected. These were only the trades of the week shared on the last Sunday session, covered by T on every Sunday at actually 12 p.m. UK time, okay? Anyway, for more details, you can go to the website. You can check this, our website, by the way, just quickly. This our website here, it's WeTradeWaves.com. All the links, or our official links, are in the description under this video, all right? So this is our website here, as you can see. And if you go to the pricing page here, these are all the features that you will get as soon as you join WTW Pro, okay? Again, you do your research regarding us, you check actually who are WeTradeWaves, what we provide, you check actually our trading view profile as well, just to get an idea of who we are. And regarding the before and after, you can see it anyway on all our social media platforms. This, by the way, the trading view, you can follow us here. You can follow us on Telegram. Here in this one, we have roughly 6K subscribers. You can follow us on Instagram and of course, Facebook and Twitter. So all our official links again are in the description under this video. Now for the XY, like I said, what's next? First thing first, I want market to give me a corrective structure, another push up. This is what I can see next for the dollar. From here, can the market fall again? We will actually update you later regarding this one. But for now, I'm expecting dollar to go to the upside, and it can go all the way up to break this top once more. But for now, like I said, let's focus on this up wave and then we'll update you later on. If this is clear, guys, let me know in the comment section, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Euro dollar for this one, market as well was following the dollar strength. After this up wave, we've got one push up to just barely break this top and then this drop. What's next? For this one, we have more than one possibility, but all of them, they actually leading for one more push up for euro dollar. So if you want to buy euro dollar, guys, you can go for the buy, wait for your buy setups and go for one more push up. This up wave, it can take us all the way up to break the top, or we can get a corrective structure for another drop. Which we have to trade again is up to you. For me, I'll be looking for the buy setups first, and if I get a buy setup, I'll go for it and I'll manage my trade. Again, guys, we are following these ones step by step, wave by wave inside the Discord community. This, by the way, our Discord community. Let me just show you this one quickly again. Discord, it's in this one. Let me just open this here for you. So this is our Discord community. Like I said, you can get access to this one as soon as you join WTW Pro. And this way our members actually are making money, by the way. Congrats, Mustafa. You're doing a great job. February was one of the best months. Fantastic, Mustafa. We are happy for you. 51 already. Fantastic. Very good. So this Mustafa, guys, and a lot of our members as well are succeeding. But I just want to show you this one, guys, the daily sessions. Our seniors are doing actually the daily sessions every day from Monday to Friday. And of course, on Saturday, we have as well Rudra doing the TR sessions, and we have some moderators doing some sessions during the week. Also, you have the update on every Wednesday by T, and also are jumping in during the TR sessions with our members. As example, yesterday, T jumped to the ROP session, to one of the daily sessions. So again, we are jumping in, we are actually having the discussions, and all of it actually you can get it once you join WTW Pro. Again, for euro dollar for this one, like I said, this WTW Pro, guys, and all the links are in the description under this video. So for this one, euro dollar, what's next? I'm expecting market to push to the upside first before any next structure. If we get a corrective structure here, guys, and a sell setup. We might sell euro dollar to the downside, and this can take us all the way down depending on how much dollar will get stronger. This will follow up step by step, day by day during the daily live sessions or inside the daily live sessions. Make sense, guys? So again, corrective structure. One more drop is what we can see next for euro dollar. But first of all, up is the move. I'm giving you guys the direction. You trade with care, do not over risk, do not over trade, and never ever add to losing position. Pound dollar for this one, market actually went to the upside and we forecasted the 1.27. If you remember, guys, from these sessions, this was a level that we were forecasting for market to give us a reaction. So WTW Pro members, if you remember this one, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. This is exactly what the market have done. 1.27 and we've got the reversal. Now, Alan, what's next for this one? Can this be a corrective structure and market fall all the way down to break this low once more? Yes, it can. It is possible. So if you are in the sell, make sure to manage your trades and let the market unfold. But before we go that far, we will wait market to give us a corrective structure, one more drop first, and then after that, we will see what the market will give us. So for pound dollar, first of all, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, another drop, and then after that, we will update you. So again, which wave to trade is up to you. If you are in the buy, you manage your trades. If you are not in the buy, wait for the market to give you a corrective structure drop, and then you go for the next buy setup if you are biased to the upside. Make sense, guys? So in all the cases, corrective structure, one more drop is what we can see next. Will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be explained in details by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. This regarding pound dollar. Gold for this one, I hope guys you remember that I said to you, I'm expecting market to drop before reaching 3K. All of you remember this one, guys, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Like I said, a lot of traders are watching us for the first time, and if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and keep watching till the end. And if you remember, guys, this regarding the 3K level that I said to you, gold will be falling or should fall before tapping 3K, let me know in the comment section. So for this one, like I said, up, corrective structure here, this was the move, and then all the way up. We've got a contracting flat here, and then this up wave. Now, if I zoom into the 1 hour just to show you something here regarding gold, look at that. Market went up. This was the top, by the way, all right? So market went up. It gave us these expansions here, which means like they are taking liquidity from everybody. They are making sure almost all retail traders, I'd say 99% of retail traders are out before they move the market. This is something, guys, we know, and this is something we teach inside the Masterclass course and inside the Q&A sessions. So those of you are wondering, guys, what we cover inside the Masterclass course, this is what we cover. Look at that. So this is the Masterclass course. Again, this is the dashboard you will get access to as soon as you join WTW Pro. These are all the chapters you will get access to. You can read actually the chapters, introduction to wave analysis, all what we cover inside these chapters. Plus, on top of that, the most important part after this is the Q&A sessions. Look at this. You will get access to the Q&A sessions archive. And if I scroll down, from January 2023, every single month, we have a Q&A session with these topics. Look at the topics, okay? So every session is roughly 2 hours. And these are the topics that we are covering, which are the advanced part for weighted wave analysis concept. And the last one was this on February 2025. And in this one, we have covered the stocks, some of the stocks that we are covering, and we are investing in our portfolio, and a lot of this is regarding how to invest. So if you're interested, like I said, you will get access to all of this one from day one once you join WTW Pro. Do not waste, guys, another month. Do not waste another account. Do not lose money. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can ever make. You try us for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel. There is no lock-in period. But try us, get the knowledge, because if you want to achieve financial freedom, that's the way. Okay? So back to gold. After this up wave, market went to the downside. We've got the drop. That's great. Okay? Why the drop? Because there was actually discussions regarding the ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine, and most of you, if you don't know what happened yesterday in the White House, the discussion was not that good. So we might see again another uncertainty in the market, and that uncertainty, it might lead for a push up for gold. Okay, so for gold, I'm expecting market to go the upside based on what happened yesterday in the White House, if you are following regarding Trump and the president of Ukraine. So for this one, we might see market pushing to the upside again. Alan, can this one be an expansion and market go to the upside to break the top once more? Yes, it can. It's a possibility. So in all the cases for gold, despite we're actually waiting for market to drop, this might be the first wave of the next structure, or this might be a C wave of an expanding flat. And in both cases, I'm expecting gold to push to the upside unless something happens fundamentally that will lead for this drop. So if dollar strength will be more, I would say, important or more stronger or more dominant than the fundamental analysis, you will see gold falling more. But for now, this is enough. Technically speaking, this is enough for market to go to the upside, and it's ready for market to go to the upside again, either to give us a corrective structure or an impulsive wave. In all the cases, gold, it's a buy for now, short term. If that be, guys, before I continue, just to let you know, we are now, I would say, excited to announce a partnership between WeTradeWaves and Trade Nation. If you want actually a broker who is actually top tech broker, who are like actually the best in terms of the spread betting accounts for the UK, who are actually, look at this one. And this how much you can save, by the way, if you trade with them. Yeah, 30 as example, look at this difference between them and the other brokers in terms of the spreads. They are very good actually, they are trusted. And if you scroll all the way down, look at this one. They are regulated in UK, they are regulated in Australia, and they're actually top. They get a lot of award winnings here, and they are really good actually in terms of what they provide. At the same time, we never provide anything before we do our due diligence. These guys actually, Trade Nations, they are rated excellent on Trustpilot. So if you want a broker, guys, who have like tight spreads, who are trusted, a broker that you can trust, the link is in the description under this video as well. You can join them and you can trade with them if you'd like to. Okay, so for this one, again, regarding gold, like I said, you can trade, by the way, everything with them. Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, everything. And like I said, we have a lot of traders actually. My best friend is trading with them, and he trade big accounts, so they are trusted again, like I said. But of course, you do due diligence, and if you want to open an account with them, you can use the link in the description under this video. So for this one, corrective structure, one push up is what we can see next for gold. More details regarding Trade Nation will be anyway announced by T tomorrow during the Sunday session.
Pound Oz to the upside. As soon as market opens tonight, that's your trade to the upside. It might not give you a pullback. It might just keep pushing to the upside, testing the stop here, 100 pips again. So 300 pips is what I'm expecting in this week in these three trades minimum. And then if you're getting lucky, you know, for the pound yen, you might actually end up having one more drop to the downside, giving you another 200 pips. With that note, I shall see you next Sunday. Your update for the Wednesday will be uploaded to your dashboard before 10 a.m. UK.
Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the downside. This was actually a bit deep in terms of the pullback. I was not expecting that much drop, despite actually us, if you remember the last, not the last Sunday session, the Sunday session before, we said regarding actually the interest rate, Aussie or Australia, they actually cut the interest rate. So this was a bit negative for the currency. So for this one, market was falling. This is fundamentally, okay? So for this one, we've got this drop. It is an impulsive wave. What's next? We can get a push to the upside after that. This is now an expanding triangle. And this expanding triangle, it can turn out to be another expanding one, but we cannot confirm that at the moment because this looks like an ending structure or a leading structure. Because guys, ending diagonal and leading diagonal in terms of the form, they are the same. So this might be a leading diagonal or an ending diagonal. In all the cases, regardless, market should go to the upside. Again, guys, keep watching till the end. I still have a lot to cover for you. But after this up wave, this can be, again, a contracting leading diagonal, which will lead the structure, which will be the first wave of the next move. Or it can be a contracting ending diagonal and market will continue to the downside. In all the cases, the next wave for Aussie dollar should be towards the upside. So if I need to go for any trade for Aussie dollar, I'll be looking for the buy setups, regardless if this is an ending diagonal or a leading diagonal. In terms of the levels, T will cover for you the levels tomorrow. Do not miss it because we have actually, guys, we have levels that we look at. We have zones. If you remember the pound dollar buy zone, we have zones that we look at and they are very accurate. Those of you are following us since the past few months, you know, like the high accuracy that we usually give, okay? But in all the cases, if I need to trade Aussie dollar, I'm looking for the buy setups now before any next structure. Okay? New Zealand dollar is the same. exactly same thing, and nothing will change. Up is the move before any next structure. Dollar yen, for this one, market went to the downside, and after that we've got this up wave. In terms of the structure, here we have equal lows, which means if we get a corrective structure here, another drop will be coming, because equal lows means liquidity, means high probability chance for market to break these lows one more time. All right, guys. Dollar Swiss, this was again one of our trades of the week, and market went to the upside. It was really good. What's next? This depends on the next wave. If we get a corrective structure here, another push up will be coming. But again, first move or first trade for dollar Swiss, it should be now towards the downside, either corrective structure or impulsive wave. Again, guys, I'm trying to read the fractal of the market, give you the updates in a, I would say, in a clear and simple way possible, so you can trade the next move if you can. So for this one, again, if you know how to trade it, again, guys, I'm repeating, please do not lose money again. Do not lose your account. Do not gamble the next wave. Do not try to oversmart actually the market, because you cannot control the market. All you have to do is to fix your mindset and try your best to be with like-minded people. Because if you can be with like-minded people, they can support you. Because if your family members, if your wife, if your dad, if your mom, if your brother, sister, they are not supporting you because they do not understand Forex trading, we can support you. And again, you should not actually blame them because they don't understand. And that's something actually pretty normal to face. That's why you need a supportive mentors, you need a supportive community to help you succeed big time trading the Forex market. And that's why you have a lot of people succeeding, guys, and you can see a lot of success stories on Trustpilot, on our website, on our Instagram page, everywhere. A lot of our members actually are succeeding big time. And like I said, you need to surround yourself with like-minded people, with successful traders in order to succeed. So do not waste another month. Just invest in yourself, learn how to trade correctly, and then after that, you can risk your money. Make sense? So for this one, again, I hope this is clear. First of all, a pullback or an impulsive wave to the downside like this or like this. After that, we can get this a bit complex, like I said, up and then drop. Those of you are asking, Alan, what you can see here, I can see a complex actually structure, guys. This might also go to the upside before the next drop. Expanding flat inside a running flat inside a bigger regular flat. Some of you might be confused, what is that? But that's the fractal of the market. That's what we teach, and that's how the market moves, guys, most of the times. If you don't know the complexity of wave analysis, you will keep actually losing account after account. Dollar CAD, I hope, guys, all of you remember this one, because we said after this drop, we need market to give us this up wave. If you remember this one, again, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. What's next? Corrective structure here, and then another push up. This is what I can see next for dollar CAD. Wait for the corrective structure before you go for the next buy setup, or you can start this one, scalping trade, before you go for the next buy. Yes, all for this one, market went to the upside after actually breaking this low once more. So what's next? Looks like we'll get a corrective structure here, another push up, and then after that, we'll update you. Because after this up wave, for market to break this top, we can see, or like we will see if we'll get a sell setup to go for the next sell. But for now, corrective structure, another push up before any next structure. This started to be a bit deep, and if this is a deep, once we get a deeper pullback or deeper corrective structure, we might not follow the trend. Anyway, first of all, corrective structure up again. If you want to know if this will be one of our trades of the week or not, you have to join WTW Pro to get access to everything that I mentioned before. Bitcoin, market went to the downside. Like I said to you last week, I'm still expecting the market to push to the upside, but because market taking time here in this corrective structure, this is not a good sign. Do you remember that? And we said if market will break this low, it might take some time. So market broke 90 levels here, because this was a protected low, by the way, and now this is a protected low again. What I mean by that, this is a potential contracting flat, drop, corrective structure, and drop. If this will be the corrective structure, market will break the top again. I would not say no question, I would say this high probability chance move. Market will break the top again. Now the big question is, will actually this market here give us a corrective structure for this up wave to break the top, or market will give us a big corrective structure, one more drop before the next up wave? That's the only question. Will this be the end of the corrective structure, or we will get a corrective structure here, one more drop before the next up wave? In all the cases, I'm still biased to the upside, and any buy setup we get, we will go for it. Every time market will be dropping, guys, it's good to invest. And remember, investing in Bitcoin is not like you put all your money. It's not all in. It's not actually you go for a full hedge. You have to make sure to trade correctly and invest wisely as well. Make sense? So again, it's not about over risking. It's not about sell your house to buy Bitcoin. Never ever do that. If you are a smart investor, you know that you have to diversify. And that's what we teach as well inside the Q&A sessions regarding diversification. How to go for real estate, how to go for stock portfolio, how to go for funds, how to go for cryptocurrencies, how much to put on these. That's the smart way, guys, to build your money-making machine, to achieve financial freedom the soonest. Make sense? So once I say market will push to the upside, that doesn't mean you put all your money and just because Alan is saying market will push to the upside, I need to buy Bitcoin now, over risk, and let the market do whatever it wants to do. You will go broke if you do that. Okay, because in case market go to zero, which is unlikely, but it's even if it's 1% chance, why to put yourself in this situation? You have to be smart enough to know how to trade correctly, how to invest correctly, and who to join in order to learn from them. Make sense, guys? So again, for Bitcoin, I'm expecting market push to the upside. Worst case scenario, market give us a corrective structure, one more drop before the next upwave. That's all. In terms of the levels, like I said, will be covered by T during the Sunday session tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. US30 for this one, market is just correcting. I'm not worried regarding this one because I have actually, we have our studies and the high probability chance that market will push to the upside again to break these tops in the near future. And this can be again from here to the upside like that, or we can get a small, big corrective structure like this. I'm just giving you the worst case scenario before the next upwave. This is the impulsive move, and whatever market is doing here is the corrective structure for the next up move. I'm biased to the upside. The stock market should go to the upside based on our studies, based on our analysis. Again, we are not controlling the market. Tomorrow something might happen and this can fall like that. Even if that happens, we'll not lose our money. You get what I mean? We will lose probably part of it, a percentage of it. That's why you have to know how to diversify, how to invest, and how to trade in order to make money. I hope, guys, everybody knows what I'm talking about because that's very important. All right? You have to learn how to trade correctly. I cannot put it, I would say, better than that. Even if you are following what Warren Buffett is doing, how much cash he is holding now. If we know what Warren Buffett actually is planning to do, we'll be all rich by now. So is he putting cash just to wait for a better opportunity? Is he seeing any recession? That's something you don't have to worry about if you know how to invest. How to learn that? You join us, we'll teach you everything inside. Make sense? That's regarding US30. Again, all of you are still watching till the end. I'll give you 2 to 3 stocks, guys, to, I would say, keep an eye on because they might have actually a potential to go to the upside. So you keep an eye on these ones. If you are investing, again, invest wisely. Do not over-risk. Do not overtrade. I'm leaving for you the percentage on how much to risk and how to invest in these ones. But again, as some sort of thank you for all of you who keep watching, who are actually still watching till the end, let me give you these 2 to 3 stocks so you can follow them if you'd like to. Number 1 is Tesla. This actually almost ready to push to the upside. This was our analysis. And by the way, I took a buy from here for Tesla. I invested from this one. And this was a great buy. Okay. Anyway, in terms of the structures, in terms of everything, technically speaking, all right, this has to push to the upside to break the top once more. And if we measure this one from here to here, it's more than 90% in terms of ROI, which is huge. Again, guys, they are not signals. I'm just giving you analysis, some stocks to focus on, just as some sort of thank you for all of you who are not joining us for the WTW Pro membership, but just want to give us a like and comment and keep watching till the end. Okay, so this is one. The second one you can look for it is UPS. This also as well ready to push to the upside. Again, follow the company, guys. Study the company before you invest and make sure to invest wisely. Even if this will go to the downside once more, this is the next move that we're expecting next. All these stocks, by the way, we cover them inside the Q&A sessions. And of course, this we keep shift these stocks and shuffle these stocks time to time. And any opportunity we get, we can give it to you. By the way, we were buying BABA from here, from exactly this level to the upside, and it was crazy move. Okay. Again, this opportunity that you must have missed. Do not miss the next one. Everything will be discussed again internally for weighted waivers inside WTW Pro membership. With that note, guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, if you want to join a broker that is trusted, you can check the link in the description under this video. Trade Nation, they are really good, and we are into a partnership with them at the moment. More details will be covered by tomorrow. And with that note, guys, I see all of you next Saturday. WTW members, be ready, guys, for tomorrow. It will be, as usual, a great session. And next week, we will join the daily sessions with the seniors so we can get the updates about every single move. Thank you very much, guys. I'll speak to you next Saturday.